Cute! Naiiyak tuloy ako, totoo. Hey guys, it's Danica. Welcome to another vlog. So today is September 8th and it's currently 9:56 a.m. So I'm gonna start my birthday week vlog today. Sasamahan niyo ako mag-prepare for my birthday. My birthday is on September 13, but I'm gonna celebrate it on the 14th. So today pupunta kami sa salon. Kasama ko yung mom ko. Siya yung nagde-drive ngayon. Gonna eat first kasi di pa ako kumain. Guys, so I just got home from the salon. It is now 12:44. This is how my hair looks like. I like it. I just don't like my bangs kasi feeling ko mas bagay sa akin if wala akong bangs. I changed it into my workout clothes because I'm gonna do a workout. Kinancel ko na yung nail appointment ko today. Minove ko na lang siya for tomorrow. Today, magla-lunch na lang kami ni mom. And then, after lunch, I'm gonna do a workout. Magdadala na lang ako ng sarili kong car para diretso na ako sa gym. Hey guys, so today it's September 9 and it's currently 11:43 a.m. Today I'm gonna get my lashes done and then my nails done. Got this for Mochi's birthday kasi guys, if you didn't know, my dog's birthday is after my birthday. So, ang birthday ko talaga is September 13, tas yung birthday ni Mochi is September 14. But I'm gonna have my birthday party on September 14. So, parang sabay kami ni Mochi. Gusto ko lang siya gawa ng mini birthday corner on the 14th. So, ayan, bumili ako ng mga ganito party hats. Ang cute na to kasi may kasama siyang ribbon. These are balloons and meron din itong happy birthday na banner. Everyone, so it's now 1:17 and kakatapos ko lang magpa-lashes and dumaan din ako sa labor to get my brows done and my underarms wax. Now, I'm gonna go to Malito kasi doon ako magpapa-nails. And also, I think I'm gonna grab something to eat because I haven't eaten anything today. Kakatapos ko lang mag-nails and sobrang ganda ng kinalabasan niya. Baby Blue Chrome. If magpapa-nails kayo sa Extraordinaire Alabang branch, hanapin niyo si Ate Dayan. Siya yung gumawa sa akin. So, dadaan muna ako sa Frisbee game bago ako pumunta sa birthday ni Chris. Guys, eto nga pala yung best friend ko.
Hi guys! Welcome to my channel. So, nanood kami ngayon ng Frisbee game.
Yeah.
Australia versus Japan. So ano, kamusta naman? Anong masasabi mo sa
kahit kakadating ko lang dito?
Hindi kaya ka, saan nakikita mo?
Ang daming pogi. So pumunta lang talaga ako dito para mag-sightseeing.
So yun na nga.
Joke lang guys. Baka totoo ninyo. So it is now 8:13 p.m. and kakatapos ko na mag-ayos. This is my look for Chris's birthday party tonight. So, I'm just wearing this set from Cotton On. Wala akong magbo-vlog dun guys kasi ayoko magdala ng camera. So, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Hi guys, so today it's September 10 and it's currently 12:59 p.m. Today, mag-birthday shoot ako dito lang sa house. So, I just got ready. Ako lang naggawa ng makeup ko and hair. Dalawa yung gagawin naming picture. So, yung una is with Mochi kasi nga birthday ni Mochi. So, gusto ko mag-post ng picture namin dalawa. And then, yung second photo is ako lang. So guys, ito yung flowers ko. super nice. Favorite flower ko is tulips and favorite color ko is white. So, I asked for a white arrangement. And ito siya. Thank you, te, amo. Ito yung cake ko, guys. White lang rin siya. And it's by Cakes by Aliana. This is Frankie. Say hi! Frankie girl! Ayan. So, kakauwi ko lang, guys. 1:39 na. Sinundo ko yung mga dogs. Kasi pinag-groom namin sila. Ang cute naman itong baby na to. Hi! Hi! Ito yung dog ni Jiro, si Frankie, na super liit. 8 months na siya, guys. Ang liit niya pa din. Baby is here! The birthday boy is here! Pag-uwi namin, uhaw na uhaw siya. So, uminom agad siya ng tubig. Kaya ganyan yung face niya. Pero ang cute ng gupit nila. Hey guys, so today it's September 11 and it's currently 5:15 p.m. and kakauwi ko lang from school. I'm so happy today kasi binigay na nila yung school ID ko. So guys, ayan, officially a school girl. Today, I'm just gonna do my prelims for animation. So mamaya gagawin ko na lang siya dyan sa computer ko. Tatry ko siyang tapusin tonight kasi ang pasahan nun is September 13, Wednesday. Birthday ko, guys. Hi guys, good morning. So today is September 12. Birthday ko na bukas, guys. But right now it's 11:24 a.m. Sobrang happy ko na wala akong morning class today. Kasi today is a Tuesday. So tuwing Tuesday morning, PE namin. Gabi, gumagawa ko ng project ko for animation. Tapos napuyat talaga ako. So ayun, late na ako nagising. Mga 9. Gising na ako. Now, I'm just getting ready kasi meron akong afternoon class. I won't be wearing any makeup today kasi tinatamad ako. At wala naman akong pupuntahan after. I'm wearing this top from H&M ata. And then my jeans are from Zara.
Like I showed kanina, if you're as one families there.
Hey guys, so I just got home. It is now 5:16 p.m. and pagpasok ko ng room ko, may pa-surprise si mommy sa akin. Dito prank ka?
I'm so excited.
Ano kaya to? What the? What? Nakakainis! Kasi sa mo ito nahanap, mami! Sa mo nahanap yung Apple Pencil ko. Sinabi ko pa naman sa kanila na mawala yung Apple Pencil ko. Yay! So, it is now 8:44. Natapos ko na yung project ko for animation, finally. And naka-ready ako ngayon kasi mag-birthday sa lubong lang kami ni Chloe. Sasaglit lang ako kasi nga papasok pa ako tomorrow. So guys, this is the final look. It is now 10 o'clock. So tinaas ko na lang yung hair ko kasi feeling ko mas bagay. So guys, this is my outfit. So this dress that I'm wearing is from Skims. So guys, di na ako makakapag-vlog. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. It is now September 13. It's my birthday today. Tataka kayo kung bakit magayong mata ko kasi nawala ko yung phone ko kagabi. So hindi ko pa rin siya mahanap ngayon. Ayun, bubuksan natin ngayon yung totoong gift sa akin ni Mami. Meron pala siyang totoong gift sa akin. Ano kaya to?
Happy birthday.
Celine! Belt! Yung belt! Oh!
Iyak ka muna.
Iyak lang nga ako, eh.
Bakit?
Wala lang, thank you.
You're welcome.
Naiyak ako kasi nawala yung phone ko.
Next.
Kakauwi ko lang and then may ganito na naman ako sa bed. Ano kaya to? Ah! Totoo to? Totoo ba to? Naiiyak tuloy ako. Totoo? Totoo, galing kay Kuya Jan to? Thank you, Kuya Jan!
Happy birthday!
Before I love you! Before I wish! Happy birthday, Boo Good morning, guys. So today it's September 14 and it's currently 7:21 a.m. I just finished getting ready for school. My first class today will start at 9:30. Siguro alis ako dito mga 8 or 8:30. Last night's dinner was so good. Everything was so good and I really enjoyed it. Hindi ko pa pala nakikwento sa inyo, guys. Nung nagsalubong kami, nawala ko yung phone ko. Ito ngayon yung gamit kong phone. Phone to ni Jiro. Buti na lang, like, meron akong magagamit na phone for now. Pero hindi ko talaga mahanap yung phone ko, guys. Pero nalolocate ko siya sa Find My. And look, guys, nasa BGC pa rin siya. And dinaanan ko to yesterday, after school. Hinanap ko siya, tapos tinanong ko siya doon sa mga guards, sa security. And wala, hindi ko talaga siya mahanap, guys. Tapos tinatry ko siya tawagan, nag-ring pa naman siya, pero walang sumasagot. Buong araw kahapon, iyak lang ako ng iyak kasi hindi ko matanggap na nawalan ako ng phone. Kasi guys, never talaga ako nakakawala ng phone. I'm still happy kasi I get to celebrate with my family.
Next, it has a, parang when you look at... Hey guys, so I just got home. It is now 2:19 p.m. And nag-online na lang ako for my afternoon class kasi ang dami ko pang kailangan asikasuhin for today. Kasi later na yung birthday celebration ko. I think I'm gonna freshen up lang. Magsha-shower ako. Just gonna rest for a bit and then I'm gonna go. Hey guys, so it is now 3:31 p.m. and kakatapos ko lang mag-shower. Actually, hindi na nga ako nagbasa ng hair. Body na lang para I feel fresh. I'm gonna start getting ready. Buti na lang maaga natapos yung online class ko. Like, siguro mga 2:30 tapos na siya. Buti na lang pumayag yung teacher ko na mag-online class na lang ako. Kaya nakauwi rin ako agad. I have very dry skin. So, ang pangit ng skin ko pag hindi ako nakakapag-moisturize. Kaya super important sa akin mag-moisturize ng face and ng body. So for today's celebration, guys, hindi na ako magpa-perfume because I've been using this scent na super duper love ko. And lately, I've been using it as a perfume substitute. I get a lot of compliments from my family and my friends that I smell really good. And ito lang talaga yung secret ko, guys. I'm using the Bello Kojic Body Lotion. And yes, guys, I'm using a lotion, not a perfume. Actually, ang secret ko dati, lotion talaga ginagamit ko. Kasi, ewan ko kung ako lang, pero napansin ko kasi pag lotion, mas matagal yung kapit nung amoy. So, dahil nga dry yung skin ko, lagi ako naglo-lotion kahit nung bata pa ako. And ayun, kahit di na ako mag-perfume, guys, confident ako na mabango ako when I use this one. What I love about this product talaga is that the scent is so intense but it doesn't hurt your nose. Plus factor na rin na lotion siya kasi nga I have dry skin and I need something to keep my skin moisturized. So kanina nakita niyo ako mag-apply ng lotion and ito yun, guys. I also like this kasi it's not greasy. Ayoko kasi ng mga lotion na parang malagkit sa katawan or di ba may mga lotion kasi na pag in-apply mo parang ang init. So sobrang perfect nito for me kasi it's not greasy at all sa katawan and I can keep reapplying it throughout the day. And it also has SPF 30, which helps protect me from the sun. So if interested kayo sa Bello Kojic Lotion, alam ko they're having a buy one take one promo sa Shopee. So I'll just add the Shopee link in my description box below so you guys can check that out. So habang naka-promo sila, guys, get nyo na to. Kasi yung isang bottle nito is 200 ml. So ang dami na niya. And like ganyan lang kailangan ko for my arms. Tapos okay na. So, sa mga curious dyan, guys, kung ano amoy ko, ito lang yun. Guys, ang first na dumating na visitor ko is si Miss Martin. Ay! Slay! Guys, mas ang cute kasi may dala siyang gift sa akin. Grabe! Alam mo ba? Thank you! So guys, ang sunod dumating, si Ashley.
Dumating na yung glam team niya.
Oo, papatulong ako sa kanya sa hair ko.
Sasabihin nila, Ashley, akala ko ba makeup bag?
Okay.
Dapat makeup bag yung bibigay ko sa kanya. Kasi di ba yun yung sabi ko? Naka-ziplock lang kasi siya. Example. Sabi ko, hindi mo na ako kailangan, baby. Nagsulat ka? Oo naman! Happy birthday! Sweet mo naman. Happy birthday!
Hello, thank you po for coming.
Happy
Hi po kayo sa vlog ko.
birthday, hello.
My
Happy
managers! Happy birthday, Mochi! Guys, ito yung treats ni Mochi. Ang cute. So, may dalawang donut. Mayroong biscuit na po. Tapos, itong parang bone. Lahat to pwede kainin lang ng aso. Pang-aso siya. Actually, feel ko pwede din pang tao. Pero safe siya sa dogs. Cute! Mochi is one. Guys, ang cute. Nagpadala si Christine ng customized na alak. Ayan nakalagay, it's Danica's birthday. Sobrang cute! First time ko magkaroon ng ganito. Tapos meron pa nito. Gold naman. So, thank you, Christine. Love you!
Happy birthday